Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came out here with another reaction. Move from there. And today, guys, we're here with the king of dancehall, 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, Adidja Palmer, World Boss, Vybz Kartel. The many of names that he's got. The teacher with a music video called Playboy Bunny. So we're going to find another one and here with the G I say. Because I know it's going to be fire. So let's get it.
She do the BBL, she got the freaky friends. And if you bring the cheddar, she'll be the end until the freaky end. And then you leave it there, she not look nobody, she do business, yeah. And she a king.
With all of that said, a business she do. She not look no personal relationship. She don't want a personal relationship, so don't bring the love thing to her. You see me? Her heart frozen.
Do the BBL, she got the freaky friends. And if you bring the cheddar, she'll be the end until the freaky end. And then you leave it there, she not look nobody, she do business, yeah. And she a king, she said, check her Instagram, check her OnlyFans. Playboy Bunny, she fuck for money, she do the nice things to your body. Playboy.
I wonder if YouTube got that. I wonder if you YouTube go say, yo, no, not a Ross. Big up all the freaky girls and big up all the girls and I hustle them thing for them thing. You know what thing go? I not nobody else lead us, so big up the ladies them, you know?
Check out OnlyFans. Playboy Bunny, she fuck for money, she do the nice things to your body. Playboy Bunny, she not look nobody, she turn your husband in her pocket. Playboy Bunny.
All of the uptown woman them, the stush girl them when I want please them man. That girl like them, yeah, have your man. Girl like them, yeah, have your man. I turn your man. Leave people business.
Bunny, she fuck for money, she do the nice things to your body. Playboy Bunny, she not look nobody, she turn your husband in her pocket. Playboy Bunny, she fuck for money, she do the nice things to your body. Playboy Bunny, she not look nobody, she turn your husband in her pocket. She mad married man, she mad money man, she got the bougie band, she on Instagram.
She mad married man, she mad money man. You know what she was mad them? The glimity, the oka, 3000 eye, the wet soaking. That is what she used, the choked goats. That is what she used.
She not nobody. She turn your husband in her pocket. She mad man, she mad money man. She got the bougie band. She on Instagram. She an Insta model. She popping bottles and living the life like she win the lotto. 30K for your up front. Will you do whatever I want? Sit down on the cocky and ride. When me a come, open up your mouth wide. You so
she bad. Once I money up on the table, once I money in her hand, she bad. There's no dongs when it comes to she, only do's. Jesus Christ. Devil.
30K for your up front. Will you do whatever I want? Sit down on the cocky and ride. When me a come, open up your mouth wide. You suck pussy and cocky same time. 3 some and 4 some and that's fine.
Kartel.
Sit down on the cocky and ride. When me a come, open up your mouth wide. You suck pussy and cocky same time. 3 some and 4 some and that's fine. Only God can judge you, boo. Cause you know some not judge you. Playboy.
So no matter where she go, no matter what she do, she suck pussy and she suck cocky at the same time. She basically fuck man and woman, man dog and animal, man dog and woman. Him not judge her. Only God can do the judging. You see me? Yeah. Only God can do the judging. Him no mind.
Only God can judge you, boo. Cause you know some not judge you. Playboy Bunny, she fuck for money, she do the nice things to your body. Playboy Bunny, she not look nobody, she turn your husband in her pocket. Playboy Bunny, she fuck for money, she do the nice things to your body. Playboy Bunny, she not look nobody, she turn your husband in her pocket. She loves her lifestyle, They say she know better, but them don't know nada. Leave the girl alone, she doing fine.
All the people that say, yo, she can do better. Just leave the girl alone. She's doing fine. She make her money. She's doing fine. She's living her life, her fair life. Them don't judge her. That's what the teacher say. So you know, yeah.
They say she know better, but them don't know nada. Leave the girl alone. She doing fine. Living her life. Alone, no sin. Let the stoning begin. She was molested. This is just her profession.
What up, you?
No sin. Let the stoning begin. She was molested.
Okay, so she wasn't molested as a child growing up. She had a normal life, but this is her profession. Just like how you have a plumber go out there go fix pipe. Just like how you have a farmer out there where you plant crops and do that. This is fair. This is fair profession. Don't judge her. That's what the teachers say.
The stoning began. She was molested. This is just her profession. You're alright, baby. Then strip down naked. You want me Playboy bunny? She fuck for money. She do the nice things to your body. Playboy bunny. She nah look nobody. She turn your husband in her puppy. Playboy bunny. She fuck for money. She do the nice things to your body. Playboy bunny. She nah look nobody. She turn your husband in her pocket.
Yo, let me just say this. Disclaimer out there. Not because the teacher say, yo, this is fine and Playboy bunny and she fuck for money and one bag of thing. Don't mean say the young girl them in a school now if you see that and say, oh, that profession I'm on do, you know. You see me? Yeah, it no means say Kartel. What Kartel do you so? Kartel cater for them girl, them type of girl in them life they already. Him now say go they go take up them life there because you can. You see me? Yeah. Him now say that is a career path that you should choose. Don't mix what him say no. Him say the girls them we do it already. Him sing a song for no. Big up on yourself. Him acknowledge you know. Big up on yourself. You know? So me no want the people them feel like say Kartel say yo all girl forgot they go do that. No man say yo once you do that. Him no mind, him not judge you. That's your choice. You wasn't forced it. It's your choice. You see me? So big up the girl them way. Big up the ladies of the night. Big up the ladies of the night. Big up the Playboy bunnies them. See them way. You see me? Yeah. Let them do them thing. But ladies, when you do them thing and sell your body and them thing, then make sure say you try invest. Make up a little one room somewhere. You see me? Start a business. So eventually, you can forward out of the life there when age catch up on you and you can have something to live off of, you know? Yeah. But, ladies, big up on yourself. Teacher, big up yourself, G. This time I'm going to leave the one here. If you enjoy the one here, Gaza fans, I want some more. Leave a like on this video. Subscribe around there if you are new, man. And I will see you in the next one. Playboy bunny. Fuck with money.